وَلَسَوْفَ يُؤْتِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى. And surely, indeed, in time, your Lord will give you so much that you will be well pleased. Now, if we take it word by word, let's start with the first word, وَلَسَوْفَ. So, wala means and indeed for sure. Sa means something that will happen in future. So, it's a will in terms of future. And sofa means in time, something that will happen in time. Very soon in time you will see. Yu'tika will give you. Rabbuka, your Lord. Now what will he give is the question. And that Allah has left open. He's not specified it. He said that you are going to get everything as a blessing, unspecified, and you'll get a lot of it. So the selection of words is very important. So yutika means that Allah is going to give you a lot, and that would not be taken back. And this refers not only to this life but the life hereafter, because when we come to the next world and we are recreated and reborn, that life is going to be eternal. There is no death to that life. Fatarda, you shall be very pleased. So well pleased that you would be satisfied. The word raza means to be satisfied completely. In this life, we are in a pursuit of happiness, but Allah is guaranteeing us utter satisfaction, because happiness is just a small step in the quest for satisfaction. And Allah says, I guarantee you the proper, complete satisfaction which every human soul desires.